Well, guys, we're just about to leave, but look what came back. The fire truck.
You want to watch them dismount the truck?
Yeah.
You want them dismount.
All I mainly care about is the action.
Alright, watch them dismount. See? Look at how she dismounts. 3 points of contact. Great job. She did it.
Yeah.
See, he's putting all the stuff back on so that it's easier for him next time, right?
I'm mainly interested in all the action. That's the reason why I wanted to come over
See?
there.
And look, you got action today, didn't you?
Yeah, but almost.
Yeah, you did great.
Yeah, but almost.
I know, but this was better, right?
Almost, yeah.
He really wanted to watch you guys gear up before you went out.
Yeah.
Not happy.
That's a great idea. You just play the video in reverse now, and you can see him put the clothes back on.
What?
You play the video in reverse, and it's gonna make him put it all back on and get on the truck.
Yeah,
Boom.
but I can't do that. No.
Boom. All right. What'd you think, buddy?
Yeah.
You wanna peek your head in there and look in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, we didn't get to do that yet.
Yeah, you can do that. I'll let you do that.
Uh-huh.
A little action for you.
Yeah. Here's the inside of the fire truck. Pretty cool, huh?
Climb in there.
Yeah. Can you film me?
Big step, buddy. You have? Okay, be careful. Watch your step. All right, go ahead. You can sit down in there too if you want, in the seat. Oh, you want that? Okay. Watch your step behind you, buddy.
Yep.
Yep.
Oop. Yep. Gotta watch my head too.
Yep.
Yep. So this is, if I was a firefighter, which I mainly am a volunteer, this is the point of view I get when I'm sitting in the fire truck and I am responding to the call. Pretty cool, huh?
I was gonna ask him. Hey, Jonathan.
Hey there. Hey, Alicia.
Yeah, and those ones that we do, we can help for sure.
So I'll go open the other side and you're gonna let him walk through.
All right, Mr. Beta.
Do you wanna? She's gonna open the other side if you wanna go through, Jonathan. Does that sound good?
Yeah. I want to try to get in the front. All right, firefighter Allison, can you help me up?
Absolutely, buddy. I'd be happy to. Hold on.
I got this. I got this.
All right. There's a real big step back here, buddy. I'm just going to kind of guide your foot for you, okay? You good? All right. Ready? You're not there yet. There you go. Good job. Yep. There it is. Got that one? Okay. Be careful. Big step. You're right there. Good job, buddy. You did awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Whoa.
You got a, yeah, there's a big air conditioner up there.
All right.
That's pretty cool.
Hey, it's a big step right here. Oh, don't do that.
No, yeah, don't. Hey, take a step down. You gotta listen to what they give you instructions.
Sorry.
Nope. Yeah.
And here's where the fire engineer keeps his equipment. Here they have a Lucas device used for CPR. We saw that in the ambulance a week ago. You guys remember that? And that's where the fire engineer keeps his bunker gear. And it's where he keeps all of his personal belongings he takes with him. Nice place to keep all your stuff. That way it won't get lost while you're on the call.
Yeah. One step. Make sure you take your steps, Casey. See your step.
I'll take one quick look around the fire truck real quick and then we'll be on our way. This is so cool.
It is pretty cool. It's a big truck.
Yeah. Well, there we go.
All right, what do you see? Good day?
Yep. Thank you. So far.
No, you gotta go back to school.
Thank you so far.
Tomorrow was the last day. That's
Yeah, but we have a free day. We have a free day today and tomorrow.
Free day?
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna do?
We're playing on Mr. Beta brought his Nintendo 64.
He did?
Yeah.
Is it like Mario Kart?
Yeah, I have one too.
Oh, you guys guys are gonna play Mario Kart?
Yeah, what were we playing it on?
He said Nintendo 64.
Yeah, I brought me
Similar-
Nintendo 64 and we were
Sim-
playing it.
similar to mine. Yep.
Yeah.
I love
Same
it.
color.
And hey, you're gonna call me tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be there.
You're the call so she can come up and get the gift that you got her.
Yep. I will.
That's sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buddy, aren't ya?
Yeah.
You guys ready to go?
All right. See ya.
Love ya.
All right.
Love you.
Go.
All right.
Thank you guys so
Bye,
much.
guys.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, see ya.
Well. Yeah, we will.
Have a good summer.
Well, so far that was good.
Hey, no one go first. Let a teacher go
Well,
first.
thank you all for joining me. Oh, and since we're going over here, you can get a better view at the shirt trailer.
I have no idea.
I'm sorry, I apologize about the shaking, guys. I'm gonna try to go as slow as I can so you guys can get a good view. There's firefighter Allison's car. We looked at it about 4 weeks ago. All right. Well, that was a great time coming back here to Rock Community Fire Department the second time. Well, see you guys later.